Alright, in this quick video I'm gonna explain how the Temu affiliate program works and how you can join it. Google search for become Temu affiliate and you want to go to this first website. Make sure you're signed into your account and then you will automatically be accepted into the affiliate program. So how this works, you will see affiliate, no earning limit, you have influencer, you have hot items and invite affiliate up to 27 euros per referral. So how this works, basically, if people sign up using your link, which you can copy here, you can click on share and you can get these links here. So you just want to click on copy, send them over to your friends or wherever they may be, and once people sign up using your link, then you will receive some money here into your account. And once you have enough funds, you can withdraw them through PayPal. So you will click on withdraw. You can see here that you get 8 euros per referral. You can click on share to get, and again, this is the message. Copy this, and once you have referred enough people, you can cash out into your PayPal, which you can then connect once you have it withdrawn. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.